The drive belt is a critical component of your Defender HD11 CVT system and overall power delivery. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to properly remove, inspect, and reinstall or replace the drive belt. Before beginning, park the vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is shut off and completely cool. The complete tool list required for this maintenance is available in the video description. To access the CVT system, tilt the cargo box. Remove the retaining pin and secure the cargo box in position to create working clearance. Remove the CVT cover screws, leaving the center top screw for last to properly support the cover during removal. Carefully remove the cover and set it aside. Do not use an impact tool, as it may damage threads or components. If excessive dust or debris is present inside the housing, clean the area thoroughly before proceeding. Locate the driven pulley and install the driven pulley adapter onto the shaft. Thread the locking tool into the adapter's offset hole. Using a 3/8" drive ratchet with a 13mm socket, tighten the locking tool to open the driven pulley sheaves and create slack in the belt. With the pulley open, carefully slide the belt off the clutches and remove it from the system. Inspect both clutches for wear and clean the sheave surfaces using acetone and a clean cloth to remove belt residue or oils. Next, inspect the drive belt. Look for cracks, fraying, glazing, burn marks, or uneven wear. If any of these conditions are present, the belt must be replaced. If reusing the belt, clean it with acetone to remove contaminants. Before installation, confirm the belt's rotation direction. Locate the directional arrow printed on the belt and ensure it points toward the front of the vehicle. With the driven pulley still open, position the belt over the clutches. Once the belt is seated, remove the locking tool and adapter. Rotate the driven pulley by hand to allow the belt to rise into its proper position. Confirm the belt is evenly aligned and fully seated. Reinstall the CVT cover, starting with the center top screw to properly align the housing. Install the remaining screws following the specified pattern and torque them to specification to ensure even sealing. Lower the cargo box and reinstall the retaining pin. This completes the drive belt service procedure for your Defender HD11. Regular inspection and proper installation are essential to maintaining performance, reliability, and long-term CVT durability.